Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we are doing a Dollar Tree haul. I have not been to Dollar Tree in ages, and I've gotten rid of a lot of my stash, and I still wanted to do some DIYs. I got the urge, you guys. I haven't had that in a while, so I'm super excited. Let me show you. They had so much stuff. In fact, almost all of this is new to me from the Dollar Tree. You guys, I was going to film it for you. I was going to do a live, but I broke my tripod. So I did film a little bit of the stuff that was just amazing. Their craft section was huge. So I wish I could have got everything, but I couldn't. But let me show you what I got, and I will put a little bit of the video at the end. So, all right, I got this tray. Isn't that pretty? Does that have DIY me written all over it? It took everything I had just to buy one. I also picked up some of these little, they're like tea light candles holders. So they're really cute. Look at that. But, you guys, my brain was hopping at the Dollar Tree. So look at this vase. I have not seen this shape vase before, so I picked one of those up. Again, it took everything I could not to buy two. I got 2 sets of the stickers here that have the alphabet. So I grabbed those. What else did I grab? Ooh, be careful. I grabbed this bucket here with the little handles. Adorable. Another DIY screamer. Just this little teeny tiny bucket. It's not teeny tiny, but it's like a very small version of the drink holders for parties and whatnot. So grabbed that. Okay, now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of stuff. I bought, now these I have seen before, but they're little tea lights, just little tea light holders. There's 4 of them. I grabbed those. I'm gonna put this back correctly before I drop something. What else is in here? I grabbed one of these, and I have seen these multiple times before. But I grabbed these. I'm going to do some of those overnight oats. And so I'm going to try it in one of these. Oh, they had these plates. They're so pretty. They've got like a little mandala on it. And then the bowls that match as well. Pick that up. I think we're getting into the crafty stuff here soon. I'm trying to make my way. This will be a DIY, but a little tiki bar sign, really cute. It's filled with glitter, so if you do not like glitter, don't grab this one. That is packed with glitter. This is new to me, and it is the, well, they're normally called T rulers, but this isn't a T, so it's called an angle square. So, and they're probably always called angle square rulers. I just always had T rulers. I also picked up some little bits of spackle. You guys, their craft section is amazing now. Look at these little craft clamps. Grab those. Grabbed one of these teal magnetic boxes. Now these are not they're not metal. They are plastic. So, but I've got a cute DIY for that one. I also picked up some of these. I use these all the time. I picked up 2 of them. They hold 3 pounds. I picked up some popsicle sticks to stir my resin with, because I've been doing some resin work. Okay, you guys, if you are a crafter and you work with glue, you need to just grab one of these. They are glue and residue erasers. I could tell you, I believe I sell these on Stampin' Up, but they have them here. This is not as thick as the one that I have from Stampin' Up, but it does get rid of the glue. So I hope it does. Actually, the one from Stampin' Up does. I hope this one works just as well. And then look at these little teeny tiny detailing scissors. See how tiny those are? So the scissors aren't so tiny, but the detail, that little point, that'll really get in there. I picked up just some little batteries. I always pick those up for little lights and stuff like that. Okay, these are all new to me. We've got woodworking glue, craft glue, but look at how thin that is, how tiny. And then adhesive spray. So very nice. I have some adhesive spray, but not the pump kind. So I thought that would be cool. I also grabbed 2 of these silicone facial mask applicators. So they're to put masks on your face. But you guys, they are also to spread paint, spread resin, all kinds of stuff. And since it's silicone, it will not stick. This has 2 DIYs in it, guys. 2 of them. Look how pretty that butterfly is. And then this little welcome. So I cannot wait to do this. I'm going to be doing some hardcore crafting. All right. I picked this up. It's a screen guard. It's $1. Normally when I get them at the stores, and the stores are anywhere between $8 to $20. So I said I'll give this a try. I picked up a few of these little night lights. Definitely gonna DIY some of those. Grabbed a couple to go on the Etsy shop. I also got some cute socks. So here we go. Ready? Oh my gosh, they're sloths. Well, it's a sloth. Isn't that cute? Super adorable. And then hamburger. And then we can't have a hamburger without French fries. So those are adorable for $1. I picked up some more of these. I've already gone through those in my stash. So I picked up some little decorative balls. Some are the dark and some are the light. So I only picked up 1 of each, and I think that'll be enough. I picked up some magnetic buttons, again in the craft section. They have a full little Greenbrier craft section, and it's called Crafter's Square. And so these have 12 magnetic buttons on them. And you can see they're thin. There's 2 in here. So I picked up 3 of those. Some chalkboard tags, they are wooden. 4 of those. And then these, again, in little tags, but they're hearts. Grab those. A little hello there. Very cute. Okay. I don't remember who I saw, but when I saw this, I had to grab it. It's a magnetic pickup tool. So you know when you lose your little teeny tiny dies or something and you can't find it, you could just like go over it and it'll, well, this one's picking up the magnets. But oh my gosh, check this out. Oh, it held all of these. Look. Let's see if it holds it again. Well, it held all of these all the way up. I was very surprised. All right. Anyways, it's $1. But you could definitely, if I drop the magnet, just wave this down somewhere on the floor and it'll find it and pick it up. Even if it's under some paper or something. All right, I grabbed just a few more things. We have a 9-volt battery. We don't use them very often, but they're good to have just when you need one. And then a packet of fruit stripe gum. That's going to be a little DIY. You'll see that on a future video because I don't know if you've seen the stamps. If you watch my Stampin' Up! Stuff, there is a cute little zebra. It's so adorable. And then I've got these. They're little rainbow stickers. And there's 96 of them. And they come with the little circles and they're all rainbow. So 4 sheets of these. That is everything. What is my favorite item? I'm gonna see here. I would have to say that my favorite item is gonna be this little guy, the silicone spatula. It was a toss-up between this and this, but they are both very cool. And then that, I'm just not even counting the socks because those are adorable. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item is from the Dollar Tree and what your favorite item is from this haul. So they could be just one thing or it could be 2 things. Let me know. So, all right, beauties. Have a wonderful day. I'll put a few little bits of video here. So sorry that I couldn't get it all filmed and do this live with you. I really miss talking to you guys live. So, all right, I will talk to you later. Have a wonderful day. Please make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see what I do with all this DIY goodies. All right, be on the lookout because these are going to be happening this week. I'll talk to you later. Bye.